Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the dark mode on the device. So simply all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and you will have the toggle right here, dark mode. Tap on it and there we go, it's enabled. And that also includes majority of the system apps, so phone, messages, as you can see, messages, gallery. So majority of the apps are supported by this. Now all the apps that you will probably install yourself might not be supported, so keep that in mind. I believe the developer must somehow implement this to be supported by the dark mode, but I might be completely wrong. So yeah, basically installed apps should be okay. The ones that come with the device and the ones that you will install might not. But that is how you install it. And if you want to disable, or not install but enable it, and if you want to disable it, all you do is just tap on it again and it goes back to the normal white kind of thing. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.